best face mask ever. Hello, greetings, welcome to my channel. I am Jenna, a cosmetic DIYer, and I run Japandadale. And you know, if you're having some skin issues, then you came to the right place, lady, because we make stuff on this channel and we have fun and we hang out. And that was a little more aggressive than I wanted to be. I apologize. I am pretty hyped. I'm pretty excited because we're going to be making an orange gel face mask. Never made one before. I experiment with this and I can go ahead and say results are real. Application, wonderful. Overnight results, yes. But if you're having a problem with acne, with blemishes that you need to lighten, and if you just want to glow for the spring because everything else is glowing outside and you want to blend in, then this is the face mask that you need in your life, okay? You just need it, trust me. But before we go into the making of the product, I don't know where the accent just came from, make sure to smack that subscribe button and ring my bell so you don't miss anything. Alright, okay, let's make my favorite face mask ever. You just saw how to make an orange gel face mask only using flaxseed gel, bentonite clay, and oranges. And now I only have one question for you. Orange, you glad you tuned in? If you didn't think I was gonna make that lame joke in this video, then you obviously do not know me at all. What I wanna know for the question of the day is, do you prefer oranges or grapefruit? Grapefruit. I hate grapefruit. Alright guys, I'll see you next week. Do you guys like the kisses I give you now? I feel like I should spread my love some way to my panda babies. I don't know, what do you guys want to be called? I have to come up with a name for you. If we're a gang, we have to have a gang name. I have to work on it. Okay, later. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.